we'll guide you through how to use Google Drive in Windows effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to access your Drive. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your files and folders. To upload a file from your computer, click on the NEW button on the left-hand side. You'll see options to upload either a file or an entire folder. Select the one you need and navigate to the location on your computer. Then click Open to start uploading. The progress will be visible in the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation, you can also do that by clicking on the NEW button and selecting Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides from the drop-down menu. This opens a new tab where you can start working immediately. If organizing your files is what you're after, you can create a new folder by clicking NEW and then Folder. Name your folder and drag and drop files into it to keep everything tidy. For sharing files, right-click on the file you want to share, select Share, and enter the email addresses of people you want to share it with. You can also adjust their permissions, allowing them to view, comment, or edit. If you're working offline, you might want to install Google Drive for Desktop, which lets you sync files from your Drive to your computer, ensuring you have access to them even without an internet connection. Simply download it from Google's official site, follow the installation instructions, and sign in with your Google account. This setup allows you to have a folder on your computer that automatically syncs with your Google Drive, making it seamless to work across devices. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.